Hello, Team Green. Let's get ready for calendar. Today is Wednesday, September 23rd, 2020. Today we have the number 17. We're going to be doing 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, and 1 less. So I'm going to write the number 17 on my board. You can follow along with me with your 120s chart, or you can count by 10s and 1s on your fingers. So if we have the number 17, we are going to start by adding a 10 stick. So if we have one 10 stick and we add another one, we have 2 10 sticks. Remember, the babies stay the same. This whole column, all the babies are going to stay the same. So if we have one 10 stick, let's take away a 10 stick. That's 0. But normally we wouldn't put the 0 there. Usually the monster just kind of eats the 0 because it doesn't mean that there's any 10s. There's 0 10s. So monster's not afraid of a 0 because it's like nothing. So really it's just the number 7. So let's count by 10s, starting with the number 7. So that's 0 10 sticks. So we have 7, 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77, 87, 97, 107. Back down. 97, 87, 77, 67, 57, 47, 37, 27, 17, and 7. Nice job. So now let's do our 1 more, 1 less. This is the teens row because every single one is going to have a 1 in the tens place. If we have 7 babies and we take a baby away, we're down to 6 babies, so that's 16. If we have 7 babies and we add a baby, that's 8 babies. So we have 16, 17, 18. Nice job, friends. Let's add a day of school. Ooh, I feel like we're getting close. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're getting so close to getting to a bundle. Let's put a 7 here. Okay, and repeat after me. Repeat after you. 0 hundreds. 0 hundreds. 2 10s. 2 10s, and 7 1s. 7 1s makes the number. What number is this when we have a 2 and a 7? 2 and a 7 is 27. All right, friends. I am going to show you something new today. We are going to start something called time. And we're going to start very slow, like when someone says, "What time is it?" You might have a watch, a digital watch that has the digits, the numbers written on it. We are going to work on an analog clock that goes around like this, and it has different hands on it. So that's what we're going to talk about right now today. These are the different hands, and I like to call these hands, some people call it the little hand and the big hand, because you can see this one's little and this one's way bigger. This one goes all the way out to the edge. I like to call it little brother and big brother. So this is a new family, and it's just the brothers. And the brothers work together to tell time. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave big brother up here on the 12. And when he's up on the 12, we say, "Oh, clock." Can you say, "Oh, clock" with me? Oh, clock. Now, little brother is little, and he cannot count very high. So he is only going to say the numbers that he sees. So if he is here on the number 1, he says 1. And big brother says, "Oh, clock." And if little brother goes over here, he can read that number too. He says 2. And big brother says, "Oh, clock." And then when little brother goes to the 3, he says 3. And big brother says, "Oh, clock." Can you think of what time this would be? Little brother would say 4, and we say, "Oh, clock." 4 o'clock. What if little brother is over here? We say 5 o'clock. If little brother's down here, we say 6 o'clock. If little brother's over here, we say 7 o'clock. If little brother's over here, 8 o'clock. If little brother's right here, 9 o'clock. What about this one? 10 o'clock. This one is 11 o'clock. Now watch this. He's gonna go, he's gone. He's not really gone. Little brother is pointed to the 12, and big brother's also up here, so we say 12 o'clock. You just did time with me today. We're gonna try this again tomorrow, and we'll keep practicing it until we are so good at telling time. But speaking of time, do you know what time it is? It is time for Fact Families with Miss Nelson. Woo!
Hi everyone, it's time for Fact Families. Today our numbers are 7, 3, and 4. Those are the only members of our family. First we're going to do addition, or adding. So I'm going to start with, I think I'm going to start with the number 4 today. Okay, so we have 4, and then I'll put a 3 here. So what's 4 plus 3? Let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that one of our numbers? Yes, it is right here. So I'm going to put a 7 right there. Next, this part we don't even need to do math because we just flip these two around. So I'm going to put a 3 here, so flip from there, and a 4 here. And guess what? That also equals 7. Now we're going to start with the biggest number, because remember, we always start with the biggest number for subtraction. So 7 here and 7 here. And last, we can do whatever number we want here. So I'm going to put a 4 here. And what's 7 minus 4? Well, let's count. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So that's 3. And we're just going to flip these two numbers around for the next one. So 3 and 4. And that's all for Fact Family today. See you guys next time.